Hello and welcome to Makula. Today, we're doing a short video on preventive maintenance events. Think of these as alerts for your machines. You can set them up for each machine to remind your engineers when certain important work or routine work is due. Let's say you have a machine that requires some maintenance, some little procedure every week, something that requires maybe new lubrication every quarter, or a special kind of maintenance once every year. These alerts can be set up for each asset. Just go in to create a new event, give it a name, quarterly maintenance. Let's say the first time it's starting is the 31st. It, of course, needs to repeat, but every 3 months, you want the work order to automatically be created one day before the event so that your engineer knows that they need to do this work tomorrow. You can give it a little description, attach any forms or checklists that need to be filled out. Let's say this work needs to be done every time this quarterly maintenance is done. Any parts that need to be replaced or maybe even checked when your engineer is performing this particular maintenance. And then you simply create the event. Now, you've created the event. Now, let's say the date has arrived. What happens when such date arrives? When the date arrives, a work order is automatically created and it's already pre-configured with the procedure or the form checklist that needs to be filled out and any parts that need to be checked. It also shows asset custom fields, so I can see that the status of the machine right now is not working. Maybe there's some other work order that someone's working on, but the important part is that when these preventive maintenance events trigger work orders, they come pre-configured with what needs to be done. If you want to see a list of all the planned events that you have across all your machines, you can simply navigate to the planned events tab and look at all the different events per asset, when they're due, who they were created by, if that's something that you're looking for. That's all for preventive maintenance events. If you're looking for help on some other topics, feel free to check out our videos. Thank you.